Hello you guys, this is Minnesota weather. You guys are gonna love this river I'm about to show you guys. It's pretty and it's melting. Like it goes a long way down and you guys can see little ducks in there. It's so pretty. Especially in the summertime, you guys will love it. I might have to do another video in the summer. And now look over here. There's a lot of trees here and it's pretty, very pretty in like the fall time. And look at all this snow. My boots can go directly down. And yeah, snow here is like quicksand. Whenever it snows this much, you kind of feel like you are the snowman sometimes. And look at all that snow. That's a lot for one place. And look at that mountain. It's like almost my height. I'm taller than it though. It's so pretty here. You guys should come here soon, or one day. That is a very big Christmas tree thing. I like it, but they're honestly very old and tall. There's a lot of snow here, like it's almost like, what, 10 inches or something? 5 or 10, around there. And 10 inches of snow. Like 10 inches. That's a lot. This is a very large Christmas tree. I think they're pine trees. And yeah, like look at that. It's so pretty under here. We are directly underneath these branches. In the summertime, they're gonna be great to climb. And look at this. Whoa. There's a lot of branches here that you have to look out for. You guys can hear the ducks in the background, but they're going loud. And the snow is 10 inches, as I told you guys before. It's rather hard to walk in it, and my toes are freezing cold. The trees all look so dried and cold and lonely sometimes because they don't have their leaves. They're all beneath the snow. Do you guys hear those birds? I thought all of them were like gone into somewhere warmer, but I guess some of them stayed for the cold Minnesota weather. Bye you guys, see you in the next one. Hope you liked my video. And subscribe. Peace out.